Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to prove this trigonometric identity. And for us to be able to prove that they are equal, we are going to use the fundamental identities. So number one is the reciprocal identities. So ayan. So nakalagay is 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. And then we also have 1 over cosine theta is equal to secant theta. And then we have 1 over tangent theta is equal to cotangent theta. So these are called reciprocal identities. Then we also have the so-called quotient identities. So for quotient identities, we have tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta, and then cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. So as you can see, the quotient here for tangent theta and cotangent theta, it is just the reciprocal. Okay, so this is called the quotient identity. And then lastly, we also have the Pythagorean identities. Okay. And this is Pythagorean identities. So we will be using one of these identities for us to be able to prove this trigonometric identity. Okay, first off, so ang goal natin is mag-equal itong dalawa. Yan. So, mag-iisip ka ano yung pwede mong palitan gamit ang identities na nandito. Then, pag pinalitan mo siya and you solve it, magiging equal na sila. Okay, for example, in this example, cotangent times 1 over tangent theta. So, we can use the reciprocal identity of 1 over tangent theta. Pwede natin siyang palitan as cotangent theta. So, kapag pinalitan natin siya, mamumultiply na yung cotangent theta times cotangent theta. Okay. Then, copy lang natin yung nasa kaliwa. Then, if we multiply this one, so ang lalabas sa sagot is cotangent square theta. Then, cotangent square theta. So, as you can see, na-prove na natin na equal yung trigonometric identity. So, okay na to. Tama na to. Okay, for number 2. So, number 2, cosine theta is equal to sine theta times cosine theta times cosecant theta. So, mag-iisip ulit tayo, ano bang function dito ang pwede nating palitan? So, ang goal natin is mag-equal sila sa cosine theta. So, copy muna natin cosine theta is equal to, so, ang pwede nating palitan dito ay itong cosecant theta. So, papalitan natin siya ng kanyang reciprocal identity, which is 1 over sine. So, okay, muna natin sine theta times cosine theta times 1 over sine theta. Ayan. So, copy muna natin yung cosine theta is equal to, then, in this operation, pwede na natin i-cancel yung sine theta. Kasi sine theta times 1 divided by, sine theta times 1 divided by sine is 1. So, pwede na natin siya i-cancel yung sine sa taas at yung sine sa baba. So, ang matitira na lang ay cosine theta times 1. So, cosine theta is equal to, so when you multiply cosine theta to 1, ang lalabas lang ay cosine theta. So, therefore, equal na sila. So, we have already proven that the trigonometric identity is equal. Okay, number 3. So, sine theta times cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta. So, in this case, ang goal natin is kailangan natin mag-equal yung sine theta, cotangent theta sa cosine theta. So, mag-iisip tayo, ano ba yung pwede nating gamitin, palitan na function, trigonometric function, para ma-solve natin yung trigonometric identity. So, pwede nating palitan itong cotangent theta, palitan natin ng kanyang reciprocal identity, which is 1 over tangent theta. Okay, so we have sine theta times 1 over tangent theta is equal to cosine theta. So, pag minultiply natin, sine theta times 1 over tangent theta, we have sine theta over tangent theta is equal to cosine theta. So, mapapansin nyo, wala tayong makakancel na function. So, ang gagawin natin, pwede pa nating palitan itong tangent theta ng kanyang isa pang identity, which is yung quotient identity. Kasi dito sa kanyang quotient identity, merong sine. Okay? So, meron tayong sine dito sa numerator. So, pwede natin yung gamitin. So, sine theta over sine theta over cosine theta. Yan. So, yung tangent dito sa denominator, naging sine over cosine. So, equals cosine theta. So, ang operation nito, na expression na yan, ay division. So, i-divide natin. Sine theta divided by sine theta over cosine theta. So, pag nag-divide tayo ng fraction, syempre, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. So, this is the divisor. Kunin natin reciprocal, which is cosine theta over sine theta. Then, yung division, magiging times. Okay. So, in this case, ito muna, yung part muna sa kaliwa yung isosolve natin. No? So, pwede na nating makancel yung sine theta. Okay? So, pag tinimes niya, ay kakancel na. So, ang matitira ay cosine theta. So, balik na tayo dito. So, na-solve na natin itong part na to. Ang sagot ay cosine theta. So, cosine theta is equal to cosine theta. Okay, so, isabihin na prove na natin yung trigonometric identity. Okay, let us have another solution for number 3. Kasi pwede tayong magkaroon ng dalawang solution, but we will also end up to the same answer. So, pwede nating palitan yung cotangent theta ng kanyang quotient identity, which is yung cosine theta over sine theta. So, instead of using this one, hindi natin muna gagamitin yan. Kasi nagamitin natin yan kanina. So, we will be using this quotient identity. So, we can write sine theta times cosine theta over sine theta is equal to cosine theta. So, dito, makikita mo na meron tayong pwedeng makancel, which is yung sine theta. So, pag kinancel na natin yan, ang matitira lang ay yung cosine theta. So we have cosine theta is equal to cosine theta. So this is another solution for number 3.